Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to talk about Proton Pass, which is Proton's password manager designed for individuals, businesses and enterprises who cares about privacy and security. A disclaimer before you check Proton Pass that this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor and always do not big research before thinking to invest in any project. Without further ado, let's dive right in. So this is our official website and now let me explain you what is Proton Pass. So Proton Pass is end-to-end encrypted password manager developed by Proton. So the same company known as privacy-focused services like Proton Mail, which is a really huge thing to know. So its main purposes is simple: to secure, store, manage, outfill and share password and sensitive information across devices. Also the service is trusted by over 100 million users and businesses across its ecosystem. So also this is available on iOS and Android, Windows and Linux, also Chrome, Safari and Firefox browsers. So you can see it's also maintains strong app rating, around 4.8 rating in the major app stores, which is really huge thing to know, because when app is doing good on the app stores, that's really good sign for the starting. So the most important feature of Proton Pass is zero knowledge and end-to-end encryption. So what does that mean? So it means your password, passkeys, notes and even credit card details are encrypted before they leave your device. Also Proton claims that not even the company itself can access your stored data unless you explicitly share it with them, which is a really good thing to know. So this is important because many users are concerned about centralized data storage. So with zero knowledge encryption, the service provider does not have the keys to read your information, which is really huge thing to know for security and privacy in first place, which is really useful for, let's say, crypto project, or let's say for some crypto coins. Also for people who prioritize privacy, this is one of the biggest selling points, which is really good thing to know. And security tools only work if they're convenient. So this meaning Proton Pass includes automatic password generation, autofill across websites and apps, synchronized across multiple devices, and also that means you can create strong unique password and log in instantly without having to memorize anything, which is really good thing to know, because that means you don't have to memorize anything that you make from password or anything else. Also it's designed to simplify daily logins while increasing security at the same time, which, like I said, is really huge thing to know, because security is the most important thing right now. And also for teams and businesses, Proton Pass includes secure sharing options, like you can share passwords individually, use encrypted containers for groups, which is really huge thing to know, and you can also control access levels and also have monitor activity, which is a good thing to know. So there are also compliance tools like audit logs and reporting features, which are useful for companies that need oversight and accountability, which is a good thing to know. So this makes it suitable not just for personal use but also for organizational security management, which is a good thing to know for businesses. So beyond strong passwords, Proton Pass includes several additional security features like email alias. So you can create unique email alias to hide your real email address when signing up for services, which is a good thing to know. So this helps reduce scams and protect against phishing attempts, which is a good thing to know. Also we have built-in 2FA storage, so this meaning you can store and outfill two-factor authentication codes directly inside the password manager, which is a really huge thing to know also. And there is passkey support, so that is meaning Proton Pass supports passkeys, which are designed to replace traditional passwords with phishing resistant login methods, which is a really good thing to know. Also there is data breach alerts, so that meaning the system can notify you if your credentials appears in the known third-party data leak, which is a really huge thing to know for security, like I said. So these features aim to prevent account breaches before they happen, rather than just reacting afterwards, which is really huge. And now let's see what on the business side Proton Pass offers. So this is the full order section of the website for business. So you can see this is they offer for the business single sign-on or let's say SSO support. Also you have security policy enforcement. Also there is a usage monitoring and centralized credentials management. So this meaning these features allows companies to define internal security standards and reduce risks caused by weak or reduced passwords, which is a good thing to know. So there also support for managing who can share credentials outside the organization, which is really huge feature. Also in the world, it goes beyond just strong password. It becomes part of the company's cybersecurity infrastructure, which is really huge thing to know, because cybersecurity is really a hard thing to know, because nowadays it's really important to have really good cybersecurity system. And this is Proton Pass pricing and plans. Also, I need to mention one really amazing offer that is happening right now for the Proton Pass, which is 33% off for the first purchases, or let's say for the first new users, which will be available till the March of 13th. And now right here you can see what options of the pricing they have. So first one is the Proton free, which is the zero, let's say free. We can see Pass Plus, which is recommended. Right now we can see 40% off. We can see on the, if you click to monthly, we can see it's on the monthly base $5, or let's say 4.99. We can see Pass Family is 6.99 per month. Also you can see Proton Unlimited, which is $13, or let's say precise $12.99. So by going down we can see what every of these packages offer to you. So you can see ease of use for every one of these. You can see available storage is 10 gigabyte, 50, 500 and 1 gigabyte, which is really amazing to see. Also, by scrolling down, we can see everything that is offered in every package. Right here, you can see the storage, passkey support across all devices. By scrolling down, we can see more about convenience. We can see for 50 volts, 50 per user account, 50 and 2 volts for the free package. By scrolling down, we can see right now for the privacy and security, also that is unlimited everything, and 10 alias for the free packages also. By scrolling down, we can see more about email alias, which is custom domains is unlimited, or let's say everything is unlimited. When you're paying for free features, you have nothing. And now we can check for businesses. Also by clicking businesses, we can see how everything looks. So you can see first package is Pass Essential, which is 4.99 per month. You can see Pass Professional, which is 6.99 per month. VPN and Pass Professional is 12.99 per month. And also there is a Proton Business Suite, which is $15, or let's say 14.9 now. If you click to yearly, we can see how everything looks on yearly base right now. And by clicking down, we can see what is every package offering right now. So we can see for the first packages, we can see right now team management, so we can see everything is available for everyone. We can see number of accounts, which is the main thing right now. So you can see first one is 3 to 30 users, second one is 3 users and more. Also for the next packages and for the best packages is unlimited, which is really huge thing to see. Next one, we can see more about core Proton Pass features. We can see everything is unlimited for every package. Next one, we can see more about security. So we can see first package is missing Proton Essential and customizable team policies, which is a good thing to know. We can see also for monitoring and compliance, also for productivity. Right now we can see what is missing where. And also by going down, we can see more about Proton VPN feature. So you can see encrypted VPN connections per user. We can see for first two is 1, for the second two, or second two best is 10. Also you can see in how much countries is available. So you can see for how much countries. You can see first two is for 10 and the two best are 120, which is a really huge thing to know. And by scrolling down, we can see for Proton ecosystem, which is really big to see. We can see mail storage per user. We can see for first one is 500 megabytes. We can see second one is 10 gigabyte, also 10 gigabyte the third one, and the best one is 1 terabyte, which is really a huge thing to see. And this is a Twitter profile, which we can see have almost 400,000 followers, which is a really huge thing to know. Also we can see they're joined on October 2013, which is that mean they're over a decade here. We can see for that period they made over 25,000 posts, which is really impressive and a huge thing to see. So because of that, we're going to drop a follow right now. And by showing down, we can see what are they posting. So their first post is pinned on the February 27th. You can see every received an AI-generated image of your lost cat in surgery. So you can see this is one cute thing that you can see what is happening with their AI, which is a good thing to know. By showing down, we can see they're posting, reposting a lot. We can see Proton Pass, normally generating strong, unique password for every site. You can see this post made over 12,000 impressions, which is really impressive to see, because that meaning they're really active. You can see the community is really active and really in love to see what Proton Pass has to offer. So because of that, we're going to drop a like right now, and I highly recommend you to check their social media, because you can check stay updated with everything that they're doing. And this is their official Telegram group, which have almost 50,000 subscribers, which is really amazing number to see. Also, I highly recommend to check their Telegram because this is the best social media, let's say, app like Telegram, which you can stay updated with everything that is happening. You'll be first to know what is happening with Proton and everything else. So that wraps up our review of Proton Pass. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comment section down below. Stay informed, stay curious, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.